Soldano's down, but what a save from Ter Stegen. 2 minutes not even on the clock. Ter Stegen looking over his shoulder.
Have you? You guys are just right when you are surfing in cyberspace having problems like that. Then went looking for free Wi-Fi but...
BYT.
Oh my god! Did you? Did you?
Take it easy. I will tell you how so that your laptop or PC can still be used to surf again. Let's check first. Then provide the smartphone and USB cable. That is it. Then connect your smartphone to your laptop or PC. Select Settings, More, Tethering, USB tethering, On. Don't forget to turn on the smartphone data plan. Then came a notification like this. Click Yes. A screen image appears. Done. Ready to use. Let's try.
This is Griezmann. Alba outside him to the left. Messi through the middle. Here's Messi on the edge of the box. 2-0. Lionel Messi. Third goal in 1.5 games. There's a huge smile on his face now. No question about that. An excellent break from Barcelona. And that was almost like the Messi of old from the edge of the box.
That's the tutorial. May be useful. If there are suggestions, please write in the comments column. By the way, is there a Wi-Fi password that is longer?